One of the most seen elements in a garden, aside from the flowers, plants, planters, edging, include bird feeder, is the paving design. It not only creates a stepped-on area, but also forms the layout of the garden. There are many paving choices that can be adjusted into your garden space and style, from the traditional to modern one. If the slabs are not trending anymore, try the Travertine, Bluestone, or gravel. More about that discussion later. Next, check out these 10 garden paving ideas that will help you enhance the look of your beautiful garden. Follow our previous cheap garden edging idea. This list is compiled and presented to you by simphome.com. 10. Fantastic Bluestone Pavers Project idea. Bluestone is a name for different stone types around the world with bluish or gray color. It is now a popular paving material because the color fits various types of gardens. It is also known for its durability and toughness, which requires little effort to maintain its good condition. Besides, for the pavement, the Bluestone also fits the wall and ledges. But all these advantages are the reasons for the expensive price. In this picture, Bluestone is selected as paving materials throughout the garden. 2 types of shapes are used to distinguish each area, rectangular and flagstone shape. The rectangular cuts are installed as a straight path that connects the house to the brick seating area that uses flagstone-shaped bluestones. In the end, the owner adds bright-colored wooden planks to his long seatings. 9. Go to the center. A garden with a central point can be a brilliant idea for your home appeal. The midpoint is made circular as the meeting point of 4 pathways, from planting beds among them. The pavers that form the circle pattern are small cobbles. What makes it interesting is the 4 pathways come in different styles and materials. The wooden stairway leads to the house. Another stairway is made from concrete big stones, and the circular center anchor them perfectly. 8. Chic Steppingstone Project idea. The pavement in your garden doesn't have to follow the mainstream way, which uses a single paving product and lays them down everywhere as much as you can. Sometimes little details and simple twists can give character and uniqueness to your garden. Look at this beautiful pattern on the green garden. Simple square pavers are used as the stepping stones, which are set on a traditional 45-degree angle. The first pattern pulls you through a circular lawn, and then the next farther out to a larger lawn. 7. Jazz your paving up with plants. Jazz up your boring paving with plants can be a great idea for you who plan to pave your outdoor space. Arrange the paving slabs here and there. This works great for square or rectangular paving, and leave gaps between them to add plants. No need to regular space the pattern gaps. You can scatter the paving at random or at various angles, or any other options of paving design. For the plants, add low-growing herbs such as thyme, grasses, succulent, and robust plants. These drought-tolerant plants need little maintenance. If you want to personalize it further, you can also mix the plants with taller ones, or if you have already grown trees, you are welcome to pave around them. 6. Bluestone with Black Pebbles. The combination of bluestones with black pebbles in the garden will greatly match your modern and minimalist type of house. Simply arrange the rectangular bluestones in horizontal long rows and give regular gaps between the rows to spread black pebbles. You can also randomly provide vertical spacing between bluestone slabs for pebbles. To beautify your garden, plant grasses, perennials, and succulents along the perimeter. This type of plant will survive along the year in all conditions. 5. Round your pavers with gravel. Garden paving is flexible. You can take various materials in any shape and texture. Same as the previous pavement, this idea uses interesting alternative of mixed materials, round pavers, and gravel. This combination will make your outdoor space mud-free when rain falls. Loose materials like gravel cover the soil perfectly. You can find the round pavers in assorted sizes easily in hardware stores, or you can make them by yourself with concrete and pebbles. Making your own round pavers is a way to create art on your garden floor. 4. Place your pavers randomly. Sometimes being symmetric and neat can be very boring. The typical thing goes with pavement. A rectangular or square paving that lines up along the garden looks mundane and stiff. Luckily, with the variety of paving materials, colors, sizes, and textures, you will find a way to be more creative and personal. For instance, try this random paving placement in your garden for a casual look. The pavers might seem pell-mell, but it gives visual interest. To do this, in short, just spread gravel or pebbles on the paver interspaces rather than leave bare soil. If you have some leftover pavers from the previous project, experimenting with this idea would be easier. 3. Garden with Travertine Pavers Project idea. Expand your backyard space by transforming it into a garden that is attached onto the house. Consider using travertine as an alternative for a paver. Travertine is white or light-colored, calcareous rock or limestone that can be used in a variety of ways for construction as well as landscaping. Installing them as the garden floor can give a luxury and opulence to your space. Besides the simple and easy installation, travertine is known for its strength and durability. It can withstand a variety of changing seasonal conditions. The color doesn't easily fade even in direct sunlight. This natural product also resists the growth of mold, mildew, and grime. The porous nature of travertine functions as drainage and allows extra water to seep faster. That's why it's suitable for garden floors or pool decks. For all the advantages that travertine has, you need to dig deep into your wallet. FYI, first, travertine is heavier than other paving materials, so make sure your space has enough foundational support to help with the extra weight. Second, travertine requires sealing and ongoing care to maintain its appearance. And last, the choices of its color are also limited. 2. Herringbone Brick Pavers Project idea. This time, the garden paving idea is suitable for traditional type of house. The use of red brick as the paver material offers a classic, distinct look in the middle of green bedding. The brick walkways give attractive and elegant appearance. In the example, the brick pavers are laid out in a herringbone pattern and framed with straight lines of bricks for emphasis. Brick is a durable material, especially when it's maintained properly. The bricks are easily repaired and recyclable for various functions. However, the brick pavers are known for fairly expensive price when compared to concrete pavers. Second, it should be washed once or twice a year and sealed after each washing. Third, the design options are limited because the sizes are all rectangular. And last, their colors are limited to brown and red. Before we get to number 1, I suggest you press subscribe button if this channel is new to you. Get new updates automatically every time I upload new videos. And let's find out the last idea sitting on our top chart. Lastly, number 1, free up your style. The stonework in your garden must not be the same as the rest of the streets. Let it be personal by freeing up your style. Use more than 2 or 3 different materials. In the picture, pavers, gravel, and cobblestones have been brought together in harmony to create a distinctive garden. The gravel is arranged to create a pathway that leads to a flat space covered by pavers. The owner used cobblestones at the perimeter of small pool fence or decoration. With this last idea, you're allowed to play with the design such as wave pattern, swirls, zigzag, or any other pattern that is not yet available anywhere but inside your brain. So those are 10 garden paving ideas that you can copy and tweak to suit the style of your garden well. So which one is your favorite? That's it for now. Before you leave, like this video. If you truly enjoy it, comment it or share it with anyone close to you in your social media account or email list. Browse and follow Simp Home website for more home decor and makeover ideas. Lastly, see you again later with more videos like this in the near future. And until that time, thanks for watching.